Assalamu alaikum. In today's joint writing classes, we are starting with alphabet A. A for A, P, P, L, E, apple. A, N, T, ant. A, R, M, arm. A, P, R, I, C, O, T, apricot. A, N, K, L, E, ankle. A, N, G, L, E, angle. A, N, G, E, L. And follow for more. Stay tuned for next videos. Allah Hafiz.